Hello, today we are going to solve one question from IIT JAM Biotechnology 2019. As we know that JAM is one of the most important examination in India for the students who want to join IITs to pursue their master degree courses. This is the question from section A, the question number is 26, and this is a MCQ type question. Therefore, among these four given options, only one is correct. So let's see what is in this question. According to the kinetic theory of gases, the average energy of a diatomic molecule in the ideal gas depends on whether mass of each atom and the temperature, or mass of each atom and the bond length, or mass of each atom, bond length and temperature, or lastly temperatures only. For monoatomic ideal gas, monoatomic ideal gas such as helium, neon, or argon, the only contribution to the energy comes from translational kinetic energy. Translational kinetic energy. The average translational kinetic energy of a single atom, translational kinetic energy of a single atom depends only on the gas temperature and is given by the equation K average K average is equals to 3 by 2 kT. Okay. Therefore, the right answer for this question is option D. That is temperature only. Okay. So we have solved this question successfully, and that's all for today. Thank you very much.